Welcome to the KMC Commander IoT Platform video series. In this video, we focus on adding Modbus and SNMP devices to your project. From the Network Explorer, click on the Add Network button, giving you 4 options. Let's select Modbus first. A Modbus network in KMC Commander only consists of one device. To add multiple Modbus devices, you must add them each as separate Modbus networks. In the fields that populate below, you will need to enter the device's information, as well as upload the Modbus register map CSV file. Review the KMC Commander Application Guide for the appropriate CSV file structure and to see sample files. Let's walk through each of the fields. The name line is for you to name the device. Next, you'll see fields for the device communication parameters, such as IP address assigned to that device, the destination port, and the device instance or UID ranging from 0 to 255 that identifies that device. Next, you'll need to click on Choose File to select and upload your register map CSV file. Finally, the network interface allows you to select the physical port on the KMC Commander gateway used to connect to the Modbus network. When complete, click the Save button. After a moment, the Network Explorer will refresh, and you will see the new network added. The device can now be discovered and profiled so that KMC Commander can begin pulling data points. Let's add another kind of device and network via SNMP. From the options, you'll select SNMP and see a new set of fields populate. First, we'll select the version of SNMP used by the device, whether it's V1, V2C, or V3. Version 3 is the most secure and recommended for use whenever possible, but ultimately it'll depend on the device that you're connecting to. Next, enter the device's name and its IP address. For the port and security information, reference the device's documentation or web management page. You may also need to edit the destination and trap port based on that device. And lastly, we recommend you use the highest security supported by that device. Again, click Save, and the network is created. Like the Modbus device, the SNMP device can now be discovered and profiled. As you can see, discovering networks and devices for Modbus and SNMP are highly dependent on the devices themselves, both how they're configured individually and how the mapping files are provided. These can be complicated to troubleshoot sometimes, so remember the KMC Commander support team is always just an email away. Since 2014, KMC Controls has partnered with Intel to bring our industry the latest technology around cloud-connected smart buildings and cybersecurity. Intel is a clear leader in the space, and we are going to continue to build our products and services around their best-in-class technology. For more information about KMC Commander, please check out our other videos in this series. And to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.